Okay, here's an extra credit problem for my geometry class. We have been creating equilateral triangles in class. I'm going to do that one more time here and go from there. Our extra credit problem will be based off these constructions that we have been doing during class. So remember, we had a circle, then we go ahead and we would make another circle on the edge. Make sure I make my point. If we do it correctly, our newest circle should go through the center point of our first one, which means we have two equal circles, and they have the same radius. Everything about them is equal. They are congruent to one another. Alright, now we have our equilateral triangle. If I connect these points, we talked about how we know that these sides are all equal. We talked about that during class. So when we look at something like this, now we know these three sides are equal and the angles are equal. We actually know the measure of the angles. They are 60 degrees each. Alright, now what we haven't talked about is what would happen. We did talk about actually the fact that I could take this and we actually, instead of connecting it up there, we could have connected these down here and it still would have made an equilateral triangle. So let me put these back up here now. So what would happen if I kept these up here and I added this and I added this here, and now I'm going to label this A, B, C, and D. Hey, what's up? Okay, my question is, what is the shape? What kind of shape? Let me ask that. What kind of shape is A, B, C, D? So if I look at the entire shape and I actually take out this piece, if I look at this shape A, B, C, D, what kind of shape is it? And I need an explanation on why you think it is what it is, how you know that it is that, when you hand this in. So I need to know what type of shape it is and justify it. I don't just want you guessing. Maybe you can go and look up different shapes. What are the properties of shapes? But there's some things you should know about this shape based on the constructions that we've done. So find out what it is and write up a justification of how you know. So if somebody was like, nah, I don't believe you, that you'd be able to write up and say, this is how I know that this is the type of shape that this is. Alright? So I want you to do that. And hand that in by, right now I'm thinking Friday. Alright?